To start with, I will recommend you to download the practice file from the description below so that you can practice along with me. First of all, I will select the headline and the content, go to the layout section and create auto layout by using the button Use Auto Layout. I will select all the item, go on the layout and club inside the auto layout. I will make the spacing as 24. I do want left and right spacing as 16 and top and bottom also as 16. I will add a roundness of 12. Let's add a fill color. White should be fine. And I will add an effect by clicking on the effect icon. A drop shadow will start showing up. Let's create 3 more examples of this one. I will use Ctrl D as a shortcut on Windows, and if you are using Macintosh, then you can use Command D to copy Ctrl D, and there we are. So let's change the color quickly. So I will select this item, press the I on the keyboard. On the top, select the blue, and I will do this exercise for other two. Select any card and check how it is behaving. So I will go on the edge, click, and if I expand, the content is also getting expanded, and as I shrink, the content also gets shrink automatically. By any chance, if it is not happening, go within the element within the auto layout. I will select the first one, go to the layout and make sure it is set to fill. Same holds true for the second one. It is still set on the fill, you can see on the right hand side. And for button, instead of having fill, we can use the hug content in this case. Select the individual card one by one, and I will give a width of 350 in this case. Now I will create an auto layout by making the selection. All the 3 cards are selected, go to the auto layout and click on this button Use Auto Layout. Now if I do the same exercise, it doesn't work. To fix this thing, let me press Ctrl Z. I will select each of this card, go to the layout, and in the width section, go to the drop down and make it as a fill container. Once it is done, let's do a try once again. I will go on the edge and try to resize it, and it is absolutely working fine how it should work. However, there is a catch here. As I go down, our card is shrinking too small, and if I expand, it is getting expanding too wide. So let's fix this issue. To fix it, we have to give a minimum and a maximum value to our card. Go on the right hand side. Let me select all of these 3. Go on the right hand side of auto layout, click on that, and at the bottom we can see add minimum width. Our minimum width would be 350. I will do this exercise once again. Go down and select add max width. I will put it here as 480. You also notice that the icon also get changed. Previously, it was just showing as W. Now it is showing W within the 2 bars. Select all the card and double check that the width is 350. I will click on the drop down and also select as a fill container. Now click anywhere on the canvas. I will select the parent container in which all the cards are there. Now I will click and drag. You can see that how smoothly it is working in. One final touch we have to do here is that as I reduce this size, our card should has been automatically adjusted. For that, go on the auto layout, select on this one wrap. Once it is done, now you can click and drag, and automatically the moment it reaches to this level, the card will get adjusted. So this is our 4 and this is our minimum one.